Welcome to CAD CAM and CAE tutorial. In this video we will learn that how to create one object with two different methods. Today we are going to create second simple part in SolidWorks. In this video we will use two methods. The first one by Cut Extrude Command. And the second one by Revolved Command. Now open SolidWorks. Open New Document. You can choose your choice unit standard here. I used millimeter. Now to go to Sketch and select a plane. You can also select Sketch from here. Now click on the sketch. First select a center line circle. Select center line and draw random circle. Press Escape. Now go to Smart Dimensions. The diameter is 100. Now go to Features and select Cut Extrude Command. Extrude it up to 140. Click on OK. Now select this face and make it perpendicular. Now go to Sketch. And select again center line circle. Draw a circle. Give dimension of diameter 20. Go to Features. Select Cut Extrude Command. And give the value 120. Now again select this face and make it perpendicular. Now go to Sketch. and draw another circle on center. Give dimensions of 60. Select OK. And again extrude it. The object is created. We want to section this object, for which we select a plane. Now we check section it by selecting plane. And our object is sectioned. Look at sketch, we have made the same and accurate design as the sketch given. You can also change its color. Go to Appearance and choose color whatever you want. Look at sketch, we have made the same and accurate design as the sketch given. Thanks for watching. The second method is on next video, so don't wait and watch it. We are also working as freelancer on Fiverr, so if you have any CAD CAM design, place your order now and get your results. For more videos, like, subscribe and share with others to learn.